On today's episode, behind the scenes as America's industry leaders produce cutting-edge solutions and trailblazing technology. From the latest video intercom tech that's opening doors for businesses and landlords to roofing solutions, what you need to know about shingles, underlayments, and components. Plus, meet the company helping to reduce environmental water damage across the country. That and more as we go inside the blueprint. Remember the days of frustratingly scrolling through call boxes at a friend's house or an office building and calling via the intercom to get buzzed in? Well, that was so yesterday. Today, LiftMaster's smart video intercom makes gaining access as simple as saying, "Open Sesame." We're at the Chicago headquarters of LiftMaster's parent company, the Chamberlain Group. Jenny Lytle, General Manager of Access Controls and Community Services, will tell us about the latest door and gate access technology for both business and residential applications.
In older call boxes, all of the data and the uploading of that data is done at the site. With the LiftMaster Smart Access Control System, you can update anything from the cloud, which means from your laptop, from anywhere. Property managers with the LiftMaster Smart Community Access System are able to easily have a bird's eye view of the community. So what they can do is onboard their residents, make any changes as residents move in and out. It is reliable, secure, and very easy to use. About 75% of people do not feel secure in their homes. 86% of millennials and 65% of baby boomers would pay more to live in apartment buildings with services like ours. And safety and security are their top concerns when they're looking.
People's hectic lives in the 21st century means we often need a secure way to give delivery people, housekeepers, landscapers, repair people, dog walkers, and utility workers access to our property when we aren't home. LiftMaster's smart video intercom enables you to go about your day uninterrupted.
People are getting more packages delivered than ever. Our LiftMaster solutions allow residents to be not at home and still allow the delivery person through the front door with the visibility of video. This avoids things like porch pirates, theft, and inclement weather ruining or taking away their packages. Property managers are able to enter a unique code and a unique schedule for vendors coming into the building. So if someone comes in Tuesdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., they are only allowed during that time period and no other time.
LiftMaster's Smart Video Intercom is a game changer in the industry. The newest model launched in June of 2021, so it's fresh on the scene. Rebecca Patterson, Group Product Manager of Access Controls for the Chamberlain Group, explains this model's powerful combinations of reliable hardware and innovative MyQ technology.
What sets us apart from the competition is that we bring a complete perimeter access solution. With the integration of our LiftMaster gate operators as well as our access credential, community and property managers can manage not just the main entry room, a gym room, a pool room, a laundry room, or any access point they wish to manage within their community. Our access control solution is a cloud-based solution, so all of the video events are stored within a cloud. If by chance the internet goes out, we do provide 1,000 video activity events that can be recorded at the unit. A video doorbell is primarily a solution for a single-family home that allows a primary user to see who's at that doorbell. In many cases, they can't allow entry into the actual home. Our LiftMaster Smart Video Intercom system is really intended for multi-dwelling units where you have multiple tenants that can see who is at that access unit before they grant entry into the building. With the introduction of video in our access control unit and the MyQ Community app, residents can have a one-way video conversation and a two-way audio conversation so they can visually see who is at the unit. With the introduction of the Press to Unlock feature, residents can now open up authorized access point by pressing a button on their smartphone. For residents that don't own a smartphone, our LiftMaster Smart Video Intercom system still allows an actual call to a landline in case they actually have a phone in their unit. In addition, we offer other forms of credentials such as PIN codes, key fobs, and remotes for residents to gain entry into the building as well.
LiftMaster's smart video intercom is installed at gated communities, apartment complexes, high-rise condos, townhouses, and more. In the shadows of Wrigley Field, new business sales leader Joe Mejanowski is on site at a luxury apartment complex in Wrigleyville, Illinois. He'll tell us why customers think this access solution is hitting it out of the park.
No two buildings are the same. The system is extremely customizable. You have the ability to customize access points, zones, various door locations, all the way down to schedules and timing of events. The visuals are extremely clear. It is a high definition screen as well as cameras within the units, so you are receiving a very visible view of whether who be out by the front door, rear entry in a dark or lighted area. The positive feedback from customers is the clarity of the system, the ease of use, and the ability to have a sense of security. LiftMaster has a 2-year warranty on their CAP product. We also have a dealer base that does come on site and help with any kind of install or issues that may occur. The installation process is fairly easy. If you do have an existing platform on site, we are able to download that database and push it into our MyQ cloud. LiftMaster offers a variety of training events, giving them any kind of advice and step through all the process, from training them initially to hosting an event for end users and residents to help them gain confidence in utilizing our system to use our application as well as doors.
LiftMaster's smart video intercom is available nationwide. If you're a business or landlord interested in having it installed in your building, entrance, or gate, go to myq.com/community or insidetheblueprint.com for more information. For thousands of years, our roofs have kept us warm, kept us dry, protected, and safe. They come in all shapes, sizes, and materials. Owens Corning has taken today's modern roof to a whole new level, offering an entire roofing system designed for long-lasting protection. Inside the Blueprint traveled to the corporate headquarters in Toledo, Ohio, to find out more.
A home is most people's most valuable asset. And what we do here at Owens Corning is protect that asset. So our roofing systems protect what's most important to people. And today, as more people work from home, as more people school from home, it's more important than ever. Also, there's a very large curb appeal assigned to the roof. So roof can be 40% of the curb appeal of a home. We enhance that as well.
A roofing system must be high performing. It protects your home. There's no doubt about that. That is critical. That's table stakes. But with shingles, they also have to be beautiful because they are a design element for the exterior of your home. So it's important that you have the right color for that roof. And at Owens Corning, we excel at offering color choices to homeowners.
And while the all-important roof shingle is most of what we see when looking at today's high-quality roofs, there's more to a roof than meets the eye. You want performance underneath.
A high-performance roof starts with the Owens Corning Total Protection System. That is made up of our highly engineered roofing components. Those components are your starter, your synthetic, your self-adhereds, and your ventilation products.
Making the right choice in a quality roof is an investment that'll pay dividends in more ways than one and for years to come.
The Total Protection System is a series of highly engineered products, and I like to break it into 3 categories: seal, defend, and breathe. Sealing is that barrier defense on the deck, right? We look at our WeatherLock products, that is your ice and water barrier, our synthetic underlayments, which is Pro Armor and deck defense. And then the next piece that we think about in that category would be the defense, and that's your exterior. Those are your elements from sun, wind, rain, or ice. And we'll start with that shingle, and we'll do the hip and ridge on that to protect your exterior elements. But to bring it all together, it's the breathe, and that is your ventilation, right? How well do you insulate and ventilate your home? That brings your comfort and your energy efficiency within your home.
As homeowners, when you're considering purchasing a roof, typically there are 2 people who influence that decision. Men are typically focused on the performance aspects of all the components and the shingles. Women, however, we find to be the design influencer in the home. Since we know that, we offer numerous design resources on our website. We do a Shingle Color of the Year every year. It's where we pick one of our shingles, we highlight it, and we do style boards, which show a homeowner how that roof color can work with other exterior elements. We also have a design visualizer, so you can upload a picture of your own home and try on different shingles. That is a great help for contractors in the home trying to get to a final decision on what color you're going to pick. And finally, there's a function on our website called Build Your Roof, where actually you can go on and step by step see the Owens Corning system and pull in the products that you would prefer to purchase.
An important part of Owens Corning's success is investing in science and technology to ensure roofing products remain cutting edge.
At Owens Corning, Science and Technology Center is a world-class facility where over 400 scientists, engineers, and other professionals are dedicated to deliver novel materials, better manufacturing processes, and high-performing products. We believe that our Science and Technology Center provides us with a competitive advantage. Our scientists are passionate about sustainability, and for that reason, we are continuously focused on finding opportunities to create more durable products from more sustainable materials. Over the last few years, we have made significant advancements in the areas of raw materials as well as roofing products and accessories. By applying new advanced modeling techniques combined with test methods, we have been able to expand the range of materials that we use to create and improve new asphalt technologies, the core technologies that provide our shingle products with durability, resilience, and ease of install. It is almost impossible to have a conversation about breakthrough innovation in the residential roofing space without talking about SureNail technology. SureNail is a technology developed by Owens Corning and is offered in all our Duration product lines.
According to the Women's Choice Award organization, women initiate up to 80% of home improvement projects. And they're economic powerhouses. They have a voice and an influence on everything that happens in the house as that sale's occurring. Owens Corning has won the Women's Choice Award 4 years in a row. This means that, according to women, Owens Corning is the #1 most recommended roofing brand.
We have a long history of innovation at Owens Corning. It started in 1937 when we invented fiberglass. In the roofing market, roofing shingles were largely made out of paper mat. We replaced that mat with fiberglass mat and transformed the industry. Fast forward to today, our Duration shingle with SureNail technology is innovation that is changing the product that people get on their homes today. It is the best performing product in the marketplace, and we will continue to innovate to provide value to our contractors and to our homeowners. Here at Owens Corning, we've engineered products that perform together. So not only do we have world-class, best-in-class roofing shingles, we've engineered roofing components to complete the roof. We have one roofing system. The important thing for homeowners is that system works together to provide the best protection, the best value. We like to think one system, one brand, total protection here at Owens Corning.
From ground up to new construction to re-roofing existing homes, visit Owens Corning at owenscorning.com/roofing or visit us at insidetheblueprint.com. It's a precious resource. It sustains life. It nourishes our planet. But civil and industrial mismanagement of Mother Nature's rainwater causes problems, including billions of dollars in environmental and human damages. A 2013 Environmental Protection Agency report cites improperly managed stormwater as a leading contributor to underground water pollution, affecting streams, lakes, rivers, and drinking water.
The biggest single costliest mistake that businesses make when planning for stormwater intrusion is specifying the wrong system for the wrong application. So in the long run, this can cause big issues for your system in terms of water discharge, percolation, and also structural loading and performance of the system. Ultimately, this could cost a business owner millions and millions of dollars to replace in the long run. So it's better to specify the correct system up front.
As natural areas get replaced by roads, parking lots, commercial infrastructures, and other impervious surfaces, nature's ability to properly absorb rainwater and snowmelt into underground subsurface areas can be significantly compromised.
Hey Jesse, I heard you're going to the Evansville project in Indiana.
Yeah, aren't you?
No, I'm not going to this one.
Oh, man.
Are you taking the red bricks and installing them on this project?
No, you know these are way too small. These are just to show the brick bonding. I think the real stuff's going out today, though, right?
Yes, there's a truck leaving at 3 p.m.
Oh, okay, good. See you in Indiana.
Oh, yeah, that was right on time. Thank you so much, Bob.
You're welcome. ACCO's always on time.
Yes.
All right, all the material arrived. Let's get the contractor and get this started.
Let's go.
Solving stormwater damage head-on, mitigating and managing localized flooding on sidewalks, in parking lots, and surrounding terrain is a battle one modular water storage product is winning, leaving the competition literally upstream, not only at this installation, but across the U.S. and globally.
Yeah, they did a really nice job on this excavation. It's nice and flat.
Yeah, everything looks great. Arrived on time. All the products. We've got top covers, layer connectors.
Yeah.
Looks good. I think they're about to bring the second load down right now.
Yep, let's get it down here. It's been a speedy installation so far.
Yeah, everything looks great. It was super quick. The main principles of ACCO are our system chain, which is collect, clean, hold, and release. So the collect focuses on collecting all that storm water that's coming off of the streets or anything like that. It's the cleaning of the water, and then what StormBrixx is used for is that hold and release. So it's detaining all of the water and then releasing it back into the natural water course at a controlled rate.
StormBrixx was designed with speed of installation in mind. With a Lego-like concept, 2 units snap together in seconds. We also use a brick bonding pattern that overlap the joints that result in unparalleled vertical and lateral loading stability. All in all, on site, this could save the contractor by more than half of labor installation compared to the competition.
As a partner, it does not get any better than working with ACCO. Not only do they provide us with a product that we can deliver to the market and provide solutions, but really with our end users, our customers, they love it because it speeds up their job and it saves them money, and we're able to do something that's unique.
What we've been able to do at ACCO is marry up the German engineering and technology aspect of the products that we develop and take those proprietary applications, bring them here to the US, and enable our manufacturing and our processes here to maximize the utilization and efficiencies that we can bring to the table. That has allowed us to make an exceptional product that we can deliver to the marketplace today.
With regional offices in Ohio, South Carolina, and a state-of-the-art North American headquarters in Arizona, ACCO USA reaches coast to coast, providing crucial stormwater management and end-to-end solutions for thousands of businesses, cities, and towns in all 50 states.
It's a crucial part of any kind of commercial or residential installation to take care of and manage that stormwater.
This system can be laid out in right-angle shapes, giving the engineer the ultimate ability to fit a lot of cubic foot of storage in a small space.
StormBrixx helps solve the missing components of competitors' products in 4 main aspects: structural integrity, speed of installation, which is obviously important in cost savings for the contractor and more importantly the business owner. Thirdly is access and maintenance, allowing unprecedented access into the tank for optimum performance and cleaning. And lastly is logistics and handling.
We have developed an inherent supply chain platform that meets the US market needs. This supply chain is designed to meet the demands of our customers both on the eastern and western half of the US. Once our product is here in the distribution center, it has been fully tested, approved, and ready for shipment. This destructive test certifies both vertical and horizontal demands that will be put on the StormBrixx system itself.
For more information on ACO's advanced geocellular stormwater management systems, visit them online at acousa.com.
Today's modern buildings are truly a multitude of smart technologies.
from digital cameras and point-of-entry systems to smart lighting and energy-saving temperature controls. But managing all these separate technologies in a building can be a big problem.
Everything's a different device, and everything has its own language. Everything communicates in its own way because many of the times it's been manufactured by different people, by different manufacturers in different parts of the world. And getting them all to exchange data and talk to each other is difficult because these things are often done in isolation.
So wouldn't it be nice if all this smart technology could be controlled from one source? That's what Delta Controls of Vancouver, Canada is all about.
Delta Controls, in its own humble way, is just trying to make the world a slightly better place. It's interesting that 30 years ago, we were about energy saving, we were about occupant experience, and we were about connecting lots of disparate products together. 30 years on, we're doing the same thing, but with a much greater technology.
It's called the Delta Building, where one system is the central hub of the building that controls all the separate smart technologies that operate within. In other words, the Delta Building is today's modern way to control a smart building.
A Delta building, our vision of a Delta building, is really about bringing together a system inside of that building, what I like to call the nervous system of the building, that works well together, efficiently together, and results in the best solution possible.
The difference between a smart building and a Delta building is that a Delta building is all-encompassing, and the more products you can connect through on a system, the more holistic thinking the building, the more system thinking the building has, and therefore the more energy it saves, the better the occupant experience.
The end result is not just energy savings and comfort, but also a powerful centric experience for the occupant. To be able to control all building functions from one central location with a simple app on your phone.
Our strategic challenge is to be both global and approachable. We have clients that are all around the world and have offices all around the world, so we need to be a global entity.
As one of the world's largest manufacturers of building automation systems, Delta Controls also boasts a new state-of-the-art 4,400 square foot manufacturing facility with 3 product lines, automated machines, and robotic assembly.
What we're quite proud of here at Delta Controls is that we do the design and the manufacturing all together in the same campus, which allows us to be able to introduce new technology, and along with that new technology comes a lot of the great automation tools that we use in the manufacturing of those products that use that technology. In our automation, you do use a lot of robots. We're using robots for doing a lot of the more tedious work of programming software and firmware into various devices and systems. And if you look at where we brought in the other automation, the PMP machines, they work at a rate of 9,000 components per hour, and no human can work at that pace, so it has definitely sped it along quite a bit. However, we do still involve a lot of the human factor in our process here. What's very important is that human touch on the product, that perspective on how well that product is being built, and that ownership and pride that a lot of our people in the manufacturing facility have in what they do on a daily basis.
Delta Controls makes building energy management systems, but our commitment goes beyond just the product that we make. Even from 30 years ago when we first started, it's down to the packaging that we use, the materials we use in the product, and the energy-saving algorithms we put into the product. And we have our core values written on the wall just to remind ourselves every day of how we go to business, but the main one is do it right. That's been our mantra for decades.
Hi, my name is Jay Malloway. I'm the Quality Assurance Hardware Manager here at Delta Controls, and my group is responsible for ensuring Delta strictly adheres to the Do It Right philosophy. Do It Right means looking at the product that you're delivering and the solution as a whole, because you have to not only produce a good product that people actually want to install in their buildings, it needs to work for a long period of time. And as a company, you need to support it. Some of the tests that we'll do, we will test products over temperature, over humidity, to ensure that regardless of where the product is installed, that it performs correctly, that you don't have any issues with it shutting down just because you encounter a heat wave. Test vibration and shock to ensure that if the controller is mounted in an area where there's excessive vibration, then it'll still operate reliably. We definitely put a lot of emphasis on making sure that by the time we're ready to release something, that we're very, very, very confident that customers aren't going to have any issues with it.
Today's high-tech buildings need to be as flexible and sustainable as the people who work inside. And that means a building management system that is simple to use and powerful in its reach. Delta Controls intends to be that building of our future.
What's really occurring for the future of our industry, it's really about building systems and having the building react to its occupants.
Our vision is to fill the world with Delta buildings. It's going to be a lot more technology, but the Delta building will always be about connecting all these things together and making it a smart, intelligent building that saves energy and is great for the occupants.
To learn more about Delta Controls and building management systems, go to their website, deltacontrols.com or insidetheblueprint.com.
Thanks for watching Inside the Blueprint. For more information on any of the products you saw today, or to find out how to become part of the show, please visit insidetheblueprint.com.